In this video, I would like to delete the file. So we will import OS, and I will start with file name, and it will be called delete.me.txt. Okay, a proper name. So at first, I would like to create a file. Okay, so it means with open file name, and now we need write permission to create it, okay, as file. So if you have a permission write and the file doesn't exist, it will be created. We already know that. So here we will file write something. It's up to you. This is a test file. Perfect. So now if I will run it, I will run it. So you can see delete me.txt, this file, and the text here. Perfect. I will erase it. No, delete like this. Perfect. And now I would like to delete the file. So maybe it's it's weird that we created it and after that we delete it immediately, but guys, this is only example. We need to know how to do that. So if OS path exists, at first we need to check if it exists or doesn't. So we will put here file name. So I need to know if this file exists, because if it exists, so it makes sense to delete it, right? Delete. Else print something like, so it means the file doesn't exist. So we will put here file, and then its name does not exist. So there is no point to delete it if it doesn't exist. Okay, so if the file exists, please delete it. If this file isn't or doesn't exist, please just print something like it does not exist. Okay, so how we can delete it? It's very simple, guys. os.remove, and we just need the proper file name or the path to the file name. So, and we will print here some text again, like file name deleted successfully. Tell me, guys, why this word is so hard to write. 2C, 2S, 2L. I hope it is correct, guys. I have no idea. Okay, successfully. No, maybe. Okay, perfect, guys. We have it. So now it means it will create the file, and if the file exists, it will delete it. Okay, so I will run it. Perfect. So it created the file and immediately it deleted. So we can't see it here. Perfect. So now if the file will exist, okay, and now the file, we will comment this out. So it means the file doesn't exist. Okay, so we had the first file deleted successfully. Perfect. And now if I will run it, file delete me.txt does not exist. Okay, because we didn't create it. Okay, so it means, it seems it works exactly how we need it.